Welcome back. Exercise 6.1, question number 3. I will explain the rider. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Opposite angles are same, then opposite sides are also same. Prove that PQS equal to PRT. Ray QP stands on line ST. Ray QP. So angle PQR and angle PQS form a linear angles. That is very clear from the figure. If they form linear angles, total sum is 180. Ray RP stands on line ST. So both form linear pair. So total sum is 180. LHS equal to. So you can make them equal. PQR gets cancelled. This is number 1 and number 2. 1 equal to 2. So we can get the final result, angle PQS equal to angle PRT. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. See the figure. We know that sum of all the angles round any given point is always 360 degree. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360. ठीक है? X plus y plus x plus y. Why it is written? Because it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. तो उसकी जगह पे replace किया है. 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. So x plus y will be 180. Angle COB is plus angle COA. COB plus COA is equal to 180. But angle COB and COA are adjacent angles and their sum is 180. So they form a linear pair. So AOB is a line. Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. Your next one is question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So angle QOR is equal to angle POR is equal to 90 degree. Angle QOR and angle ROS are adjacent angles with common arms ray OR. So angle QOS is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Now QOR is 90, so we write 90 plus angle ROS. Give number 1. Similarly, angle POS and angle ROS come to the left side are adjacent angles with common arm ray OS. So we write down angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. 90 is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle POS equal to 90 minus angle ROS. From now give number 2. Subtracting 2 from 1 we get angle QOS minus angle POS and you get the final result. Angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now we are going to exercise 6.2. Okay. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF and Y is to Z is 3:7, find X. AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF. So AB is parallel to EF. Understood? So X equal to Z. Alternate angles. You can see alternate angles X and Z. X plus Y interior angle sum is 180. ध्यान देना. X equal to Z और X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. तो Z plus Y also equal to 180. Y is to Z is 3:7. Sum of the ratios 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So Z will be 7 upon 10 into 180, get 126 degree. X equal to Z equal to 126 degree. y plus 55 is equal to 180. So y will be 180 minus 55, 125. X equal to y, so x be 25. 90 plus z plus 55 equal to 180, so z will be 35 degree. Question number 2. AB parallel CD and GE is the transversal. So angle AGE and angle GED are equal because they are alternate angles. So angle AGE is equal to GED. Now AGE is 126, तो वो भी 126 हो गया. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. तो FED 90, okay. तो GEF plus FED is equal to GED, adjacent angles. Angle GEF plus 90 is equal to 126. So GEF will be 36. Ray GE stands on line AF. Angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180, angles of linear pair. 126 plus angle FGE is equal to 180. तो FGE will be 54. आगे समझ में? Now we go to question number 3. पहले draw the figure. Draw line RU parallel to line ST. PQ parallel ST. ST parallel RU. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RU. ST parallel RU and SR is a transversal for them. So angle TSR plus angle SRU is equal to 180. They are interior angles. Now one angle is given 130. So SRU will be 50 degree. Now PQ parallel RU and QR is a transversal for them. So angle PQR is equal to angle QRU because they are alternate interior angles. So 110 is equal to angle QRU. Angle QRU will be 110. Now these two angles form adjacent angles. Angle QRS plus angle SRU is equal to angle QRU. So QRS plus 50 is equal to 110. By 1 and 2 we get QRS equal to 60 degree. Now fourth one. Angle APQ. See the figure, APQ is 50 degree. PRD is 127. Find X and Y. Now see, this angle is 50, so X will be 50 because alternate angle. ये linear pair, so 180 minus 127, so easily we can find out X. देख लिया? So Y will be 77 degree. In the given figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. Reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. Draw ray BE perpendicular to line PQ and ray CF perpendicular to line RS. We know that for plane mirrors, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Hence at point B, angle ABE is equal to angle EBC. These two angles are same. At point C, angle, you can take BCF is equal to FCD, right? So both the angles are same. PQ parallel RS, BE perpendicular PQ and CF perpendicular to RS. So hence PE parallel CF. These two are alternate angles. So from 1, 2 and 3 we get angle ABE is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle BCF is equal to angle FCD. So finally we get the answer AB parallel CD. Okay. So you can do the sums which are asked. Now we are going to the theorem section. So you can see the proof again. Theorem 6.1 I will explain first. Theorem 6.1. Yes, here we have got, if a ray stands on line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Axiom 6.1. और 6.2 क्या है? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of angles form a linear line. So they are called linear pair axiom. Now we are going to theorem 6.1. Prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay. Now we start. Ray OA stands on line CD. So angle AOC, angle AOD forms linear pair. Give number 1. Ray OD stands on line AB. So AOD plus BOD forms linear pair. From 1 and 2 एंगल दोनों को इक्वल कर दो. नाउ विच यू फाइंड कॉमन, इसको कैंसिल कर दो. सो एंगल AOC इज इक्वल टू एंगल BOD. सिमिलरली इट कुड बी प्रूव दैट एंगल AOD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BOC. Theorem 6.2. Lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. M parallel L, N parallel L. So automatically M is parallel to N. We'll start. चलो देख लो. See the L, M, N angles are 1, 2, 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, corresponding angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, but angle 2 and 3 are corresponding angles formed by the transversal T of lines L, M and N, so they are equal. Okay, thank you.